Hello everyone, welcome to Aspirant Dream Civil Services. Hope so you all are good. Today I am going to discuss one of the recent topic of news, that is Delta Plus variant, and you all need to know all about Delta Plus variant and all variants of COVID-19. As recently WHO said, Delta variant is the most designated variant of concern. So in today's video I will discuss all about Delta Plus variant and all different variants of COVID-19. And this topic is very important for PT mains as well as for interview, and even topic is very important for everyone as it is related with pandemic COVID-19. So let's start. As recently in India, around 40 cases of Delta coronavirus variants are found, and this appears that these variants are more transmissible than earlier variants. So this variant is a sublineage of earlier variant, that is Delta variant, which was first detected in India in second wave of coronavirus. So this variant is also acquired some protein, that is K417N, which has a spike protein mutation also, and it was also found in the earlier variant of, that is Beta variant, which was first identified in South Africa. Now first of all I will tell you in detail. WHO has renamed the multiple different strains of COVID-19 which are circulating around the world, and to make them easier to understand, the naming is given by WHO. So under these changes, there are four most concerning variants. First four letters of the Greek alphabet, that is Alpha, Beta, Gamma and Delta. And these variants were previously known as UK variant, South African variant, Brazilian variant and Indian variants. Now what is Delta, the Indian variant? Delta variant is the most recently designated variant of concern, as I said, by the WHO, and it is classified by WHO itself. And that means it has one of the four variants which are concerning with the global health authorities, because it is associated with some increased transmissibility, that is change in the epidemiology of this variant. And second one is there is an increased virulence, or there is a change in the disease presentation, as we all faced in the second wave of COVID-19 in India. And the third one major concern is there is a decreased effectiveness of prevention and control measures, that is less effect of preventive and control measures like vaccines. These Delta variants were first detected in India in October last year, and it is highly contagious as compared with the first variant, that is Beta variant. And even UK authorities estimated that this variant is 40% more transmissible than the earlier variant as sent in the Britain lockdown last year. And the other name of Delta variant is B1617.2. So Alpha variant is the UK variant, and this name is it was first designated as a variant of concern by the WHO, and this variant was detected in September 2020, and this is also one of the designated strain of particular concern in December last year, and it was estimated that at least 50% more than transmissible than the first detected strains of COVID-19. Third variant is Beta variant, which is known as South African variant. This is known as oldest of the COVID-19 variants of concern, and it is also known as B.1.351, and it was first detected in South Africa. Now fourth one is Gamma, the Brazilian variant. This variant was first detected in Japan in travelers from the Brazil. So the strain has raised concern because it may have been responsible for surge in cases in Brazil. Now recent one is Delta Plus variant, and the mutation of this variant may not lead to third wave in India, as it also depends on the COVID appropriate behavior of the people. And this is one of the reason as said by the Tarun Bhatnagar, scientist of state-run Indian Council for Medical Research. Now, according to Center, on June 18, there is Delta plus cases were detected in the worldwide with USA and UK, and there are more than half of the cases are known cases related with this Delta plus variant. And even in India also there are some cases found related with Delta plus variant. In India, cases are found in 3 states like Maharashtra, Kerala and Madhya Pradesh after Delta plus variant was detected in genome sequence sample from these areas. So, Indian Health Ministry alerted these states already. So friends, this is all about Delta plus variant and different variants of COVID-19. So please friends, be cautious and be alert and keep taking precautions related with pandemic. Hope so this video is helpful for you all. So thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Jai Hind.